Welcome back to the technology trends. Today we are talking about the upcoming OnePlus 15, and according to refresh leaks, this phone is bringing some massive upgrades in both design and display. So let's dive right in. Reliable tipster digital chat station has revealed that OnePlus is changing things up with a back design. Since the OnePlus 11, we have had that big circular camera bump, but this time it's gone. Instead, the OnePlus 15 is expected to feature a smaller square camera module in the top left corner. If that's true, it could look much cleaner and more modern, and honestly, it feels like a refreshing design change. Now onto the cameras. The leaks point to be a triple camera system with the 50 megapixels main sensors at the center of it all, but a big upgrade is the addition of periscope zoom lens, which means way better zoom quality without losing detail. What's impressive is how compact this new square module looks. Even with the periscope packed inside, it it will be interesting to see how OnePlus balances all three cameras in this updated design. Moving over to the display, and this is where things get wild. The OnePlus 15 might feature a massive 7-inch AMOLED display. That's right, no OnePlus phone has ever gone this big before. The screen is rumored to be wide, flat, and perfect for content consumption, whether you are watching videos, gaming, or even multitasking with apps side by side. To make the visuals stand out, OnePlus is expected to use LIPO display technology, which boosts the color vibrancy and sharpness. The resolution is reportedly 1.5K, which sits between Full HD Plus and Quad HD Plus. Some might say that a step down compared to past models, but with LIPO tech, the display should still look fantastic while also being more battery efficient. Speaking of battery, with a display this big, you'll need serious charging power, and OnePlus is not holding back. The OnePlus 15 is expected to feature 100W super fast charging, meaning you can go from nearly empty to almost full in just minutes. That's a game changer for heavy users. Now, overall, the OnePlus 15 may not push every boundary like the Pro model will, but with its bigger display, redesigned camera system, flagship performance, and lightning fast charging, it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting OnePlus phones in years. So, what do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the new square camera design and that huge 7-inch display? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.